Section 2 of Part 3, Al-Wajabatu Laudin, duty towards one's parents. Wawasino insana biwalidainhe husnan hamalathu umuhu karhan wawada'athu karhan wahamluhu wafisaluhu thalathuna shahran hatta idha balanga ashudahu wabalanga arba'ina sanatan qala rabbi auzi'ani an ashkura ni'amataka lati an amta alayya wa ala la walidayya wa an amala salihan ardahu wa aslih li fi dhuriyati inni tubtu ilayka wa anni minal muslimin. Surah 46, Ayat 15. We have prescribed for man kindness towards his father and mother. His mother bore him and brought him forth in labor. The bearing and the weaning of him requires 30 months. When he reaches 40 years, the years of maturity, he exclaims, Lord, inspire me, that I may be thankful for the favors thou hast bestowed upon me and my parents, that I may do right to please thee, and to find my improvement in my offspring. I repent and take sides with those who have embraced the religion of God, and those who have submitted to God, the Muslimin.